Meaning of frankly.
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 Frankly. Frankly means to be honest and direct in expressing one's thoughts or opinions. It is often used to introduce a statement that may be surprising, unpleasant, or difficult to hear. By using frankly, the speaker is indicating that they are being truthful and genuine in what they are saying. It can also be used to emphasize the importance of what is being said. Being frank can sometimes come across as harsh or blunt, but it is ultimately a way to communicate clearly and transparently with others.